Your stocking? Come here. Come here. Come here.
Your stocking.
Come here, you weird dog. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Sit. Ready? Mom, you want to watch the dog open the stocking?
Rusty's opening his presents.
What's in there? I know.
Videotaping?
Yes.
Alright, do that.
Ready, Rusty? Figure it out. As I drop the camera. The hole at the top, buddy. There you go. You got a bandana.
Doesn't have fleas.
There's a bandana. No, Rusty, there's more. Need help, buddy? Need help? Ooh, you got a bone. Keep going. Got a bone. Rusty, there's more in the stocking. Such a happy time for Rusty.
Small it is.
No, Rusty, there's more. There's more. Leave it alone. You can't eat it in the wrapper. All these treats won't be yet. You got a cow huff. Yum, a cow huff.
That's all we got. See ya. Christmas is over. See you guys later. Is that what you picked out, Rusty? Did you help pick that out?
You did.
That thing smells rusty.
Yeah, it's gonna have nasty Christmas breath.
I put treats in there just to be nice. But no, you don't get to eat that yet. Sorry. Bye-bye. No.
Give him a treat or something.
I'll give him a treat. Mom, take this. Rusty, here. You want this? You want this stick? You want this red bone stick?
Yeah.
Ouch, 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 ouch. Go get it. There you go. Go hide it. Bye, Rusty. Merry Christmas.
Yay.
Yay.